Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting the system, export the whole registry, and make a system restore point so you can rewind if needed. Once done, open Regedit using Win+R and confirm UAC. Navigate to the key related to the broken item, know the path beforehand so you don't wander. Make a small test export of that specific key now. This creates a focused backup. Now that protections are in place and you're at the target key, you're ready to remove or fix entries safely. You need to confirm which values are wrong. Compare the suspect key's default and data fields against your backup or a fresh Windows 7 install. Once identified, delete orphaned CLSID or PROG ID keys. Export them first so you can restore if wrong. If the problem is an incorrect file association, edit the default value to point to the correct executable path. Make one change at a time and test application behavior after each edit. This prevents cascading breakage. You finish by applying the changes. Restart Explorer or reboot so Windows reloads the registry. If things break, immediately import the exported key or use your system restore point to recover. Make sure to run sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files that might interact with registry entries, and check Event Viewer for error codes that point to remaining problems. If you still see failures, document the exact error and restore the registry backup before seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.